boy, me, boy, not the one in the
okay, thanks. The rooms are boy, about the temps. Master can't do
but get this from an okay, couple to me. Boy, I pay a dinner in blocks. Well, not a money man. Mr. Boy, and the whole thing will come for pioneer and the piano man go the piano man go and then you saw him because cities there. And then the mammy 10 cities there for a plus 2 do a mammy 20 hour for 3 blocks do a boy. Yeah, I've got. And then you put some bonnet construction software and no people. Actually, and I want to one is betting can. Excellent. Hey, can you watch it? Hey, Charlie, yes, you were one when you and Donna. Why do you mind our company watching? I got someone with the Lamborghini in Civic. What can I say? Two use a smartphone. Charlie, and one say, Google Play Store and I say App Store. Download one SBet and register with the promo code WINRICH in capital. Deposit any amount you want. Instant while you get 200% bonus. Pa! Charlie, everyone has a lot. One SBet, just the way you try.
Show me the way. Always my phone, I'm always my dogs. The one know what's up, man, I'm stuck in the way. Show me the way.
Previously on Students of Today.
Sir, what am I doing, sir? It's almost a dog.
What do me?
I suck me dog.
From one knee.
And for
What have I?
Although dear and for send panel from 2, send panel from 1. Although any class.
We are forcer. We need power, madam. I will name some and like it. I was wasting it.
Hey! Now that can say nothing to what? You chimmy, Mona whom is a me believer. By the way, me didn't senior confusion. Yeah, whom you are mediani senior confusion. Oh, okay. You ban any ella. Ellen, yeah, man. Hey, Debbie, oh, wow. Well, and Yenny Naka, what did them say?
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho identity a man for quick keys. Oh yeah, we be baby a man simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know say so child the French. Nice one teda. I say we be like on. Ti on ma no we kon. On pe wo ba wa fon. Tell you we pe di na mum. Da ope di na mum. Oba go forward this school man aboso. Branch this one wanting to this young koso. And I'm for pa. I want it one time. Like it. Only students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah. I go sing kwa this year no dear Debbie yo. Messi I go sing kwa this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today. Yeah. Students of today. Yeah. I go sing kwa this year no dear Debbie yo. Messi I go sing kwa this year no dear.
The reason why I called you before I've heard so many rumors that you are having a problem with the two of them. There's a fight between the two. So I thought we need to solve this issue and make a deal so that peace and harmony will prevail. You can't be teachers and be fighting and be quarreling outside. Can't you see you are disgracing yourself and degrading the level you've gotten? That's why I called you people.
Headmaster, with all due respect, I understand where you're coming from, but I actually don't have any fight with him. If not just because. Let me talk. He accuses me of doing students in the school, whilst I have no interest whatsoever in any female students.
Doing student? What's the meaning of doing student?
Like going after female students to date them or something like that, which I've never done before. I'm a married man, for crying out loud. I don't do this. What is he saying?
You go ahead. Yours is important.
No, it's not report to school. What I think say, the match check class will say, or what the other months. Hey, okay. If I show a parent in my back on a minute,
Parent, you know.
Parent in my back on a minute.
Parent in the mum, my back. No food now. Parents in the mamma back. You bet me charge your parents. Students in the mamma back. One in Cassa. Hey, says Mama stand watch check over results and say, oh, set out certificate, results, certificate. And now, parents in the mamma back. Oh, level, the radio is here. Say you were when you say, I'm a market exams 20. The young crime call for me. I know quite easy. Yes, yes, Mamma, market, yours, fine. That really come in office. Say, oh, come here, share me. Maybe say, when you can see a share, and a share. And yes, excuse baby on the south. Say, I can't say, I'm ready in my own to say. Sanity, when you can walk on office or no. So what can I open a mean one few corners or she and quite better? And yes, the near show. Why?
Yeah. So I'm being accused by him, and he even told me that I should stop. He gave me a warning for me to stop chasing ladies or chasing girls within the school, which I have never done before. And aside that, I really don't have a problem with him, but he says that I talk about him, I gossip about him, I go tell around that he's not a good teacher. But students have been complaining. For that matter, yes, they have. But that doesn't mean I'm a gossiper. That does not.
Is that the whole issue?
That's all, because I really have no issue with him.
Alright, thank you. Let me listen to his part.
Okay.
So what is it? What is the problem?
Excuse me, Headmaster. This man, I know this man. But reading information, Headmaster, I will see what's on your crown for, Meaning, no, Italy will go to you. We will say. Meaning, a partner will never say. Meaning, no. It was just here, it created some little problems. But what do you see me? The proof for walking in Anya. And what do you see me? But on him some what would they own sassy? Who can some make a side? Who be one on me be a man? Shall a man met all casamities walker a mad baby? A man a walker was 6 uncle, while a man was hanging up. Am I back with you in your it met one Musa or the back who go back in your main plan. Oh, costume, anyone say? What is oh, Breastone, would they tell me what was open as what you say? Oh, Breastone, nothing. What's it?
And I am working. Mamma, Cassane, the ever for my watch to be. What's the parent in my mouth? Parents in my mouth. It was our cable for me. I don't know. I don't know. Always at last. Young cock, young comes a bit. Oh, there be young be a bet and be a handsome. Tea, maybe I'm so. I do him from my idea was so for 30. Said the way around here, I bet this can better what you two. Sergeant, ah, Sika what dey money pa dey so ya adwuma eh contract ni e so ko
Pacho, come call office ni madam
ko me hwe na ma don so sa
ni also pay be fair because we share our budget.
Pacho, me so.
We share our almost nipa dey
give you contact.
Yeah, be end dey contact. He say na fanza we take away me na ko yes contact yen ka be end no.
Come end.
Eh, ka we end ni sa.
Say no wonye.
Why did you do that?
What is he talking about?
He's talking about so many things. Something that he's done. And you're fine. Going out to the girls, to the tune of about 52 girls.
Yeah. That's what I said. He's accusing me. And I never did that before.
Yeah. So whom should I listen to? Because he's still.
Why are you lying to me?
He's saying a different story. You're also coming out to a different thing. So what do you expect me to do? What do you expect me to do?
Well, if he thinks that I'm dating students or female students, you can go and find out from them. If I ever attempted.
We can't go find out there. We just want to sit here and Herrmeister make a truth.
Then what is your statement if you don't have any proof?
We need truth.
If you're not willing to go and ask for any witness, then what is your statement? What is your case?
I am a witness. I see you my naked eye.
For what? The girl you said I'm dating, go call her.
Shut up! You what? Oui, ça va? Je vous, small girls, je vous, take a jour, mais j'avoue, oui, ça va.
Enough! What kind of French is this?
What is this? What is happening? What is happening? You can't be shouting in my office like that. We need to sit down and solve this issue amicably. I will henceforth from today. But try to zibou. Je vais vous vivre back, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle, je m'appelle vous. Je vais Rosarinda.
Why are you interrupting the headmaster?
I'm not interrupting the headmaster.
Allow the man to talk.
When you school contact now.
You school because say kasi and they say ya say ahanko a.
Come we school be free how.
Free
baby abeko bi edi wachi.
And I'm office.
Yo.
Me so me kura.
Say na we so money how was a contract there. A contract. And yes be audi sika na ma afi ko tena fi baby na afi ko nwi ko twentwa na so ko nwi. Why into you now? Okay.
Let's not pay your money.
Mo enjoy. And what say be ya wu.
Say o pese ya tu mana.
E cheme ba mo class on baby do.
Yeah to say. Say. Hey.
Parents ni ma ba kura.
Oh baby adwuma do ko do. It fa na ka hwe so pa na ka be kire wa de ntika contract nka ko be sign. Ke nko say. Give me 5. Bye. Ne to ba obosi ni kanim pa ne to yaye ba ko.
Ombo bet so
it 9 ba ko.
Teacher ni we di otum say me hwe ne set na otum say set or the best.
Enyo no ne set.
One qualify.
Enyo no ne so enyo no ne set. Eh. Ne buofo ne nije ni o instead teacher ni ba ko krasi.
Ne bibia nsisi so se parents ni ma me ba ko.
Parents ni ma me ba ko.
Teacher ni kasa bluff.
Listen nana no. Nana say no say parents ni ma me.
Nana. Parents grandmother.
The school your parents be so no school.
And I told you, if you really.
Why you told me you war? What is she wants to be? Say like it. What is it?
Would you shut up?
What is this? What is this? You can't be shutting my office. You can't be shutting my office. You come in and come French. I'm going to try to be about she me till me say one. Enough. Baby headmaster di tia me ni abri nyina no wo be wo de man na de da no ma wo wi anu adwan ko ni krom me ni nipa be bre wo ye nkokwa wo mo dwan ko e ma ne wo mo ma me mo na ehwe wo mo ade enough is enough. You don't sit this about
you say I'm dating someone, go find that someone so she comes and give witness if that is true.
Oh my
and stop lying. You got no witness. You got no proof whatsoever.
I got proof. I got witness.
Then produce that proof and stop talking nonsense.
And you stop that talking nonsense.
Salaki, I believe we are all grown-ups. It's about time we need to calm all those pressures down.
Thank you, sir.
At least we need to respect ourselves and see to it that we are here to work. We are here for money. We are not here for unnecessary.
That's all. Then the word is described this will. This what is you?
I beg of you, like I said, enough is enough. You can go
back to your class.
But I plead with you, henceforth, I don't want to hear any fighting outside anymore.
I'm 25 now, so for 25.
Ah, that Ben Yas our contract is 20, 25, 25.
That near G50 now, you're saying.
Ah, what they say was someone now they say.
What the moment I'm so from
what the contract, I won't contract, name contract.
Now, so I want to have the buy. Now, once I bought you,
say,
ah, Sana,
Master, Tia,
that is Sana,
buy one also, Mummy, so we know. Who is the answer? Who
you put evidence back? Muslim put the same evidence into the for evidence.
That's it.
Some Muslim some just can some evidence. Some
give you one person here, they said, be an engine with them.
Let me tell you, you're sharing.
Yeah, quite the TV also where they say, so, maybe so,
yes, what if the count 100 prana, add the other 50-50. You better 50-50, boy. They don't know. Let me run 25 way.
There be young quantity. I don't know.
I am quite young.
You go here.
See,
it was also
German. You won't tell me about beauty and money.
Please. I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
You have to sweat because precious is becoming.
School me, yummy. Yes, school the Dutch. Obey, we will be strong wako. Obey, cop, by yang.
You see, you're sweating because you're fabricating stories.
My swearing is fabricated. Do you know?
I have no case. And you see, am I sweating? I'm not.
I beg of you, you cannot go.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm really grateful so much.
Ose kwa ako, ya be before we share a meeting. Sir, please, for mercy for. Yan sheni yin tusa boy na sim free. Wa bokro no so, boy please na. Omo de ne kwa akokunu no waku Italy police for 10 we dwane about.
Jesus Christ.
Obenyansafo. You be the kind of French mama. J'avoue, Obenyansafo, vous baiser voir. J'avoue.
Salaki, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
In case you need to don't hesitate, let me know.
Yes, please. Thank you, please. I gotta go.
You have to go now.
Thank you, sir.
No fighting anymore.
No fighting anymore.
No fighting anymore.
But I'm telling you the truth. I need peace.
Salaki, it all depends upon you. If you want peace, how many to prevail? I beg of you. You are my countryman.
Yes, sir.
Please.
I know depend of me. Yeah. But I'll fight for peace for my country, for my
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
All the best.
I would have now pity my cabet among Rema do the 18. Chelsea Mune by a more one more boy, every one hour now would treat a betting way.
Baby,
yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm good, yourself?
I'm fine too. I've missed you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Of course I have.
I missed you too.
Are you sure?
100% sure. I'm more than sure. I'm not getting to speak.
You better should.
Wow.
Hey! I said, the name is Miss me, the many me home. Last time, when my father do class, Sister Jai, but I will France. Why, yes, ma'am. Me can't me home. Wow, I didn't come on.
Wonderful students. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
You know something? I really like your enthusiasm. The way you just relax and begin to revise when it's approaching exams. The way I do exam time, the son is a student here. Especially this girl. She's very brilliant. Say, hey, Ella, when you want to say, you brought for car and then you can't say, oh, you're good. Ella, oh, she's very brilliant.
Ella, one.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Now, and you easy say, science teacher, so we know about so, and you easy. It takes a long way.
Yeah, it's even your subject.
Science, yes. Yes. And a question so no ordinary. Well, I would make call dining. Some quite an ammonia coy. And you mammy who minute. Now, I mean, your arrangement with mamma. My wife. Hey, you're fast, brother. And I do any should make it more fun as I will. It's a very good care. Very good care.
Cham.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to tell you something, and
you didn't know. Seriously,
I kind of need some money.
Money for what?
Money. Of course, I need money because my trunk is empty and I want to fill it up.
Empty trunk?
Mm-hmm.
Why won't you fill it with water?
Hello.
I'm sorry. I'm just joking.
Is that how you are?
I'm just joking. I'm sorry. Am I forgiven?
I'm fine.
Alright. So why won't you eat from the dining hall?
Dining. The last time I ate from the dining, I defecated for the whole night.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
What food you chopped that day?
It be that kinky with beans of that kinky, you know.
Oh, okay, that kinky day, you know good.
Yeah, I know like. So what do you say?
So like how much?
I want just 50 cedis.
50 cedis.
Mm-hmm.
Vicky, you know what? I don't care giving you a diamond.
But what?
But you know, we just meet and we are trying to know each other.
So?
We are matured, you get what I mean?
But I already told you that vacation is just at the corner.
You know, vacation is too long.
Ella. Sorry, so good as also. Ella, I don't know what's what tennis. What's your tennis? In penny for sea. At your time, and you have to take me now. Why you want tin? They don't too hard, how they want to have, so don't bore her, how they must have. Ella, so we can decide in subjects now, but you're there. So we say science. Nasella. I am a subject now, bubble tree. No, you don't pumpy. A bit in butcher.
I'm learning.
Learning. Ella may catch though. See, exams not pass is simple. And you're in your mama, sir. I don't know, yes, sir. You're a nice girl. You need somebody like me to manage the whole body. You have to manage you. I mean, managing body. But yes, so I bet stressed and not sad. You say when you know a sexy eyes, I mean, time fine for me. What's your years? I'm said Ella, me. Whom is our kitty 7 unipa? Yeah, that's a bunch. It was your school now, Bissia, dear. What the world you should have is a young children, not imagine.
Champion, so what are you trying to tell me now? Listen, you know how much I care about you, Champ baby. Something say. Come here. Oh, stada.
So you like how much you need?
I just I already told you I want 50 cedis.
50 cedis.
Mm-hmm.
And you add just.
Of course, I was even hoping on how I'm gonna manage till vacation, but then you came. You must be a godsend, and then you
really?
came
Me?
into
God
my
sent?
life. Oh, of course you are.
Please, come to think of it, 50 cedis is not just. Okay.
Really?
50 cedis is high money.
Seriously?
Of course. But let me ask you, do you have any Asamoah in your family?
Asamoah?
Yeah.
What does Asamoah got to do with what we are discussing?
I mean, maybe your brother or your uncle, your sister's boyfriend or something.
No.
But you are now throwing me a bill.
Seriously?
Of course.
Oh.
Yes, we are smart and we hurry up. Simple. simple and cheat. The fee, I'm found to try and women function. The Danosa, she are not a cry, I did your treasure to you and meeting their friend. As I'm super passing. Now, what is your mail with you? Maba when it's Kaila, very roofy. But Omajo, but you are your own. Some more. Yes, sure. And you're failing the way. Many things in a place. Don't treat a bit. I don't be a driver. You will just one cassa. You Jimmy Cassa. Okay, students. Thank you very much. Okay, as I told you, this girl is very brilliant. Very human, dear. And I'm really doing common swag and my enthusiasm. I'm a child as well. Okay. Okay, sir. See you, okay? See you.
You never mind. What is your time?
It's 3:25 now.
Okay, so give me like 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, please, 2 hours.
I haven't eaten for the whole day and...
But you just told me.
Can we make it 1 hour, please?
Please. I'm waiting for some money. The money will drop 2 hours later. So 2 hours later, I promise you hear from me.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure. Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Hope you're not mad.
I'm okay.
Okay, you take the lead. I will see you later.
I'll be waiting, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. Hey. You don't have any someone in your family and you are not throwing me bill. Like bill as someone. Boss, my nigga.
Who's the cross? For them, I don't know auntie Nancy. I don't kind of auntie. What's up, Emily? Auntie, this is up, Emily. I should say yes. When auntie be that. I didn't know what trying to tell you. One trust signs in your 50 that 1 year and 30, 31. Now, Ella. Child, the way you see, just say you may not say I cannot say, Nankasa particular everybody. Ella one. Oh, Jimmy. And I say, well, who me am I? And I won't know me try. Well, who me am I? They know by now in school and see and start for me. Okay, still I'm the one at the Abertona. But say, but I'm a senior. Hey,
Hey, Musha. First, I say, we are so
okay.
Yeah, what's a man on your conversation? If you come with them, so cockroach, so cockroach.
With a budget for me doing so bad.
Oh, they budget. And she be in here, we say.
I know quick.
Yes. I
mean, you say,
yes,
you didn't know us. We come.
Oh, Johnson, how can young office? Master, you who had your granny, Tiana, Prana, came home at Johnson.
With the mum do some running.
Have you said no, and honest, and it's here, day. Who twist away? Who twist Yanko? Oh, Debbie, as the Bible, so we are not who boom ran so. Then one can say,
what's the day are you pound?
Mr. Jordan, you can magic.
Oh, say,
I bet you pay the crown or son of magic. Ain't you know here from my uncle? Say, well, we are who are near Coco. Johnson in Tikran, I'm here, General. I am Alcobana, Johnny. Put in your crown. I'm going to see a share about pay. You don't have known to you, and I won't pay you. What? Put in your crown. Sound. It was here too much. Just here.
Well, cry me, yeah, you've been at so
I can't. And what they say. So, you think one camera goes on. Oh, you may come in do some. Send your coffee. Oh,
Next on Students of Today.
said the new Messi Kona Baffo, it is more for Ufilia, so and Canyon and Koda. Hey, you could tell you money. What look at that? There be no result, you know, about food. Who did Jimmy into the watches out the way? Who best got pursue beer and nipper set the old Yan of Mebois. Sana Pessoy, Naminu Giants way.
What's the name?
Naminu Giants way.
When you had to start to have a wedgie and move it deep.
Know that you didn't come here to marry or date. Have you talking of a teacher?
Have you talked to Jane? When you finish advising, you come and advise me. Is that why you called me here?
Young come to actually, minimum your dream. I say every day, you pay us 10 CD. Why are you surprised?
Oh, feeling jealous. Also nowadays, when Ruben, it's the wedding come too much. Or tell whom it's a one money, yes, sir.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. The Juma Hawaii didn't a man for quick keys. Oh, yeah, we baby, I'm simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know, so child, they're French. And so on, Teda. And so on, Teda. And so on, Teda. I say, where we like on. The only man who come home. On pair of our phone. Tell you what, the enam the enam womb. Thou petty enam womb. About go forward, this school man, I was so. Branching is why I want to hear this young person. And I'm for pa. I wanted to want them. Like it. What the students of today? Yeah, we should shake it, be students of today.